In this video, we're going to talk about the volume of pyramids and cones. So a rectangular pyramid is 1/3 of a rectangular prism with the same base and height. Okay, so the volume of a pyramid is going to be 1/3 base times height, or you can calculate it as base times height over 3. So B is the area of the base, which can be different shapes. H is our height, and this is the height on the inside of the shape rather than the slant height that we used for surface area. Alright, so here our base is the square, so that's going to be 8 times 8, which is 64. So my volume is going to be 1/3 64 times 10, which is 213.3 feet cubed. Same here, we got another square. So that's going to be 15 times 15, or 225. So my volume is 1/3 225 times 16, which gives us 1,200 inches cubed. So now you can try the remaining ones, and then we'll see how you did. So here we have a rectangular pyramid. The area of the base is 12 times 8, or 96. So for that one we get 320. This one has a base that is a triangle, so we have to use 1/2 base times height of the triangle, which is going to be 10 times 6 divided by 2. Plugging that in, we get 80. So just like a pyramid, a cone is 1/3 of a cylinder with the same height and radius. Remember that the base is a circle, so it has an area of pi r squared. So the resulting formulas are: the volume is 1/3 pi r squared h, or we can calculate it as pi r squared h divided by 3. The r is the radius of the base, and h is our height. Alright, so these are pretty straightforward. Trickiest part will be making sure that we have the radius and the height. Okay. So in this first one, the radius is 6. The height is this dimension right here. We have the slant height, which would be great if we were finding surface area, but we are not. We are finding volume. So I need to do the Pythagorean Theorem to get h. So solving this, you will get 8. So you have 136, subtract it, take the square root. Now that we have the height, we can find the volume. So that's going to be 1/3 pi r, which is 6 squared, times our interior height of 8. This gets us 301.6 centimeters cubed. This one, our volume, is going to be 1/3 pi. My radius is going to be 6, and this is our height. If I slid it over, it is our interior height. So that would be 30. So we get 1131.0 inches cubed. Okay, so you can try the last two and see how you do. Alright, so here we are given the radius and height, so just fill those in to get 670.2. On this one, we have the diameter, so we need to cut that in half, but 12 is our height, so 1/3 pi 2.5 is half of 5, squared times 12 gives us 78.5. So that is the volume of pyramids and cones.